When we are give the Windows 11, at first need to the pen drive bootable for Windows 11, then install the pen drive in this here, then give restart. After restarting, we are pressing F12. This laptop boot option is F12. Then we are selecting the USB storage, then press any key. Then this is selecting the language. We are using same as. Then next, our keyboard layout US. Now we are giving the Windows 11 newer. Then next, we don't have a license, so we are giving declined. Okay, so then accept. Now our need to delete our previous partitions. This one is our Windows, so click here and delete partition. After click here, then delete partitions. Click here, delete partition, also this one. All Windows previous file. So checking this one not have, also this one not have. So click in here and give the next. Now install. Now waiting, installing Windows 11. Now finishing our Windows copy and installation, so giving the restart automatically. Just we are waiting for on. Now start the installing. Copy is finished. So we have paused this video. After finishing line, then again restart. So again the installation is finished, so the PC is restarting. This one is Windows newer version, also OOBE, both are new. the problem. The next option is not working in the Windows 11 without internet. Also, when we connect the internet, this time again come to the new problem. Without Microsoft account or license, they are not installing. Now we are trying the bypass option. So we are pressing Shift F10. Then again press project. This is this PC. So try your PC project. Your PC cannot open the another screen. Installing device difference card. This is the new option. So we need to the restart or forcefully shut down or restart. At first try to the shutdown. This one not working. Also try this one, not working also. So need to forcefully shut down. Now again on. Shift plus F10. Now need the command prompt. Now the command prompt is on. Shift F10. His problem is we are not clicking the Fn. This is the Fn F12. So this command prompt is not coming. So now we are typing something for bypass. Capital at first clicking OOBE, then slash bypass BYPASSNRO then press enter. Now waiting for bypassing. This policy is without any Microsoft account login, we are starting the Windows 10. 11, not 10. No, that have a newer policy. Now again, you see the changing as like same, but there have a change. Now this one is showing. Previous time this one is not showing. Now showing I don't have internet. This time this option is not coming. Now they are showing your local username. Our company name we are giving. giving the next. Now there no need the password, we need again give. This is some location and others feature the Windows is asking. We are giving the accept. You just read, when no need you just off this one. This newer Windows 11 version come to it's taking time, don't worry. This is Windows 11 without using Microsoft any account. So this one is working. Anything asking, you just tell us. Thank you.